Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of price action trading on Bank Nifty. So today was a glorious day in Bank Nifty and it was just like a rocket, and Bank Nifty is at its all-time high with the score going above 2.5% for Bank Nifty, almost 1200 points rise. Now we will see what was the best setup. Today we will cover 3 points. One is what was the best setup for long. Second, was there any counter trend trade today in such a rocket movement? And third, what is our view for tomorrow? So the best setup today was only one, the best of the best of the best. It was this one. See, as we saw, the Bank Nifty is in an uptrend, and at yesterday's close, we saw that this downtrend has finished and we have this upward momentum. And today it was a gap up open, and again many pure candlestick analysts, they regard it as a weak bar, but I have explained in my previous videos, this is actually like a bullish flag. It opened here, went all the way up till here, comes down, and then the next few bars it will try to go up again. So what was the best opening trade, long trade for today? It was exactly this one, when the price, after rising and breaching this high, it has crossed this high, the price, there was some profit booking, and the Bank Nifty touched the moving average, and then in this next bar, this bearish bar has reversed. So the entry would have been on the break of this high, and the profit would have been, because we don't know how much Bank Nifty will go higher, the profit would have been to book partially till the top of here, and the rest of the part we could have taken till we could have seen a good downward reversal bar, which could have been either this one or this one or this one. But the whole day the price was just above the moving average. There was such a strong institutional support here. So this was the best trade entry. Let me explain what exactly is happening. So you look at the movement from this bar, there is a bullish flag, there is a bullish upward move, there is a flag, exactly touches the moving average, and this is the reversal, bullish reversal flag, bullish reversal bar, and from there is upward movement. So partial booking would have been on this top. We would have got good 70 points on Bank Nifty options, and then the balance of the position we could have just held till the Bank Nifty told us that it's a good time to exit, either at here, wherever we find some big bullish bearish bars. The second was the counter trend trade of the day. So after this move, I don't know how many people would have captured it, because here we can see a wedge and then the breakout of the wedge on the upside, and the wedge is a continuation pattern mostly. Here it is clearly, if you observe, it is one thrust up, down, second thrust up, down, and third thrust up, which failed. It did not go up. So that means there is going to be a downward move towards the moving average. But in such a strong bullish day, there was less probability of touching the moving average. Still, anybody who took a scalp would have easily got 1, 2, 3 in these 3 bars. He would have easily got 30 points on the Bank Nifty options. But it was a very risky trade to do counter trend on such a bullish bar. If anyone is interested to know when do we take a counter trend trade, I will make a special video for that based on price action principles, either a single video or a couple of videos. Now these were the two trades. One was the best trade of the day here at the moving average, and then the price just rocketed. Another would have been a very risky scalp here, because there is 1, 2 and 3 third push failure towards the moving average, but it would have failed and people would have either exited at break even or would have suffered some minor loss, because on this bar the premiums would have evaporated quickly for any puts, and all this profit of three bars scalp would have just evaporated in the single bar. Now let's see how the price action looks for tomorrow, being the Bank Nifty expiry, because day after tomorrow is a holiday. Let's go to 1 hour chart. So if we zoom out, we can see I had drawn this channel 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 9, and this is from the beginning of the year. So Bank Nifty has almost respected this channel. Here it broke out, came back inside, touched the low. Here it broke out, came back again, touched the exact low and reversed. And now today we have seen the breach. So uh, this is a very strong upward move. It has broken this parallel channel and also a longer wedge which is forming. Now we have to see what is the action here. After this strong bullish move, tomorrow being the weekly expiry for Bank Nifty, I am expecting a sideways movement because many people would have taken profits here. They will just be resting. The market will try to catch its breath. There may be a possibility that, as we have seen the downward move after reaching these tops, we will expect a downward move, but never we should expect a downward move because we are in a very strong upward move. You can see all these rocket bars where the institution is buying, and any trade in the counter trend direction, this is a very strong bullish direction. Any trade in the counter trend direction will be very risky. It can only be a scalp trade, so be very careful. The price action principle says any counter trend trade has to be taken when there is a break of a significant trend line. If there is a break of a significant trend line, then the price will go back again to test the previous high. This high, if it breaks, and we can draw a trend line from here to here, or we can draw a trend line from here to here. If it breaks, still we are in a bullish trend. The price will again go back to test this high in three ways. It will be either it will be a same high, or it will be a higher high, or it will be lower high. When these two things happen, break of a trend line and then again testing of the previous high, and the third thing is after the testing there is a good bearish reversal bar, only and only then we should consider to look at a bearish trade. If anybody is looking at a bearish trade right from the open, then he will likely to make a loss. So only if when a significant trend line is broken, after the breaking of the trend line, the price will again go back to test the previous high, either the same high, higher high or lower high, and then there will be a bearish reversal bar. If and only if these three conditions are met, we should look at trading on the bearish side. So if we are on 5-minute candle on charts, which is the place where I trade, we can see, let's try to draw a channel. So we can see Bank Nifty has just respected this channel and there is no breaking of the bullish trend line. If there is a good break of this bullish trend line somewhere here, again we are in a bullish trend only, the price will again go back to reclaim the high. Be very careful not to short there. After reclaiming that high with either a same high, higher high or lower high, there will be a bearish reversal bar at the completion of that bar, not during that bar. At the completion of that bar, we can consider that the market may be changing direction. But right now, it just looks like a very bearish, bullish outlook. And though my view is for tomorrow, after such a big move, there would be some sideways action so that the market can digest this huge rise of 2.5% in a single day. That's all from me today. Thanks and see you again guys tomorrow. Bye.